This morning I woke up to 300 shares of IREN in my trading account. I decided to run the wheel strategy on IREN. My strike price was $50, so I was willing to buy IREN at $50 a share. This is a company that has been getting deals left and right. It just got a deal with Nvidia. I saw IREN as a company that has huge potential to grow in the near future. So I said, let me buy some shares. But you know what? I have to buy shares while I get paid to buy those shares. So I sold a put on IREN to buy 3 contracts, that is 300 shares of IREN at $50 a share. I collected premium around, it was $500. Yes, I had like a 1 month out expiration. So I got assigned those shares at 50. So right now I'm down almost $8 on my share. Not really worried because you know what? I believe in IREN and I know this is a company that is going to bounce back very, very soon. I'm going to start selling covered calls on those shares. So I'm not really worried. This is something that I wanted. I wanted to buy shares of IREN, but I wanted to get paid while I do that. So you get the point. Yeah. IREN is very volatile and the premiums are very, very good, especially if you try to run the wheel strategy on IREN. You will be getting presentable premiums. I sold puts on IREN at a strike price of 50 right here. This is where I sold my put at the previous support. Unfortunately, IREN broke the support and now it seems like we are forming another support here around around $37-38 a share, which is not really bad. As you can see here, in May 2026, May 19th, we came back to $50, but then we bounced back pretty quickly. So I'm hoping, or I think IREN is gonna do the same move as it did back in May. So playing around this support here, and then we're gonna bounce back here. So I'm just waiting for IREN to get back to $50 a share. Then I'll start selling covered calls on my 300 shares to collect some premium and then wait until when my shares get called away. That is how the wheel strategy is supposed to be. So if it was someone who got assigned the shares, maybe they'll be sad, maybe they'll feel like, oh my God, I failed, I lost the trade. One thing about the wheel strategy is that you are not really losing anything because you wanted to buy the shares anyway. That's one of the reasons why you sold a put in the first place. Yeah, so I wasn't really sad, or I was planning to own IREN because you know IREN has been doing really great and it has been bagging so many deals with these major cap companies, and I felt like it has very, very high potential to grow in the future because you know the share price is really, really low. In 2 to 3 years to come, IREN will be $100 stock. So I want to secure the bag right now, so when that time comes, you know, I can keep on selling covered calls against my shares and keep on collecting premiums while I watch my stock grow. That's the plan of the wheel strategy. And again, the reason why I love IREN is very, very volatile. You can see that it has moved similar to Tesla, similar to Nvidia, similar to mega cap company, and it's just a $50 a share company. So I love IREN because of its volatility. It has been really moving perfectly, and it's a perfect stock to sell covered calls and cash secured puts on because it's pretty affordable. You can afford 100 shares of IREN. Just with $5,000 you'll be able to sell cash secured puts on it if you don't really want to go out very far out of the money. So let me show you guys the trade that I took and what I was considering on this trade. What I look for when I'm trying to get into a cash secured put trade is the delta. And delta is very important when choosing a strike price where you want to sell your cash secured put at. And for me, a 30 or a 20 is a sweet spot for me because there it will help me to buy the stock at a very cheaper price, but then again collect a very good premium up front that can allow me to buy more shares of the stock. Like on my IREN trade, I received a premium of $500 and I had 3 contracts. That is, I got paid $1,500 up front and I was able to buy more shares of IREN. So I keep on growing my portfolio, buying more shares just from the premium that I received from my trades. Right now I'm down on my portfolio like $8 a share, which is not bad. I'm okay because that is just an unrealized loss. If It will only become real when I sell my share, which I'm not ready to do that. I will hold IREN. This is the company that I'm planning to hold for the rest of my life and keep on enjoying from its volatility, keep on collecting premium as it gives me these ups and downs movement. Instead of going in the market and buy the shares at the price that is being offered at during the moment that you're interested to buy the shares, you can sell a cash secured put on the stock, and you wait for the stock to get to your strike price and get paid while waiting. The premium that I collect on the stocks that I sell covered calls on, it's way better than the dividend that I receive on my long-term investment dividend paying stocks. Selling a premium is a very good strategy if you want to grow your portfolio over time, because it gives you the opportunity to be receiving money on the shares that you already have or on the money that you're looking to invest. So the wheel strategy is one of the best strategies that I usually trade, and it has helped me grow my portfolio 10 times. I know I'm down like $8 a share right now, but I'm okay with $8 share. A drawdown like that is really nothing compared to drawdowns that I've experienced in the past. Yeah, so pretty happy with this trade. I got paid and bought the shares at the price that I wanted to. So this was a very good trade for me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know if you want me to explain in details how to start trading the wheel strategy, or if you have any questions or any strategy that you would love me to explain in detail, just put it in the comments and I'll be so happy to make that easy for you. Overall, I think the wheel strategy is one of the best options trading strategy that you can start implementing in your portfolio to start making passive income to help you grow your portfolio slowly but surely. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.